What's up people, it's the Pip Magnet back again with another video. I got a request actually from a few people that are actually asking me like, okay, the Pip Magnets, we see you usually use Deriv, not Deriv, my bad, you usually use binary MT5 to do your trades. And yeah, I do use binary MT5 to do my trades, and the time I did open that account, it was quite a long time ago. So yeah, I still have it still works, but for other people obviously it's not going to be the same. So for those people who are wondering how to log in to Tradingview with your Deriv, I'm going to show you how to, but then you're just going to be using it basically for your analysis. So let's just get right into the video and let me just show you guys how to do it. So you come to your search bar and then you're going to type in tradingview.deriv.com. So then you press enter, and when you got your tradingview.deriv.com, worry about that. Yo. Okay, no artists. All right, so what you want to do, you want to type in tradingview.deriv. So I had already typed it in, so mine's already showing there. So tradingview.deriv, you hit enter. So the first link you're going to get right there is your TradingView implementation. There's a bunch of links out here, but you don't want to click those. You want to actually click this one right here, TradingView implementation for deriv.com. So let's just jump into that. So yes, this is how it's going to look when we jump into it. This is exactly how it's going to look. It's going to open V25 index. I'm sure people who are trading indices already are getting excited. Don't have a Deriv account, there's a link in the description, the first link in the description right there. Just go click that link, sign up, register your account, fund your account, and let's get it. Because yeah, actually this is what you can use to analyze your charts. We're not going to be using this for entries. We're going to be using this just to analyze, specifically for analysis only. So you're obviously going to have your MT5 on your phone. You can use that for your entries. You can download the MT5 app for your entries. This one, I wouldn't really recommend you to try and use it for entries and stuff, because it's better to use for its tools that it has. So right, let me just explain to you guys how this works. So basically, when you want to change your pair, what you do, you come to the top corner right there, then you just remove that R25 right there. Like you see that R25, we just want to take it off. Once it's off, you just come to derived. Already there's actually a lot of stuff going on. There's forex, there's stock indices, there's commodities, there's Deriv, there's cryptocurrencies. So we want to come to Deriv, and then that's where we're going to find all our indices. For those guys who love synthetic indices, you know, the gang. So this is where we're going to find everything, our crush, our boom, our everything, you know what I'm saying, everything. So you can basically just come and open it right like that, and it's going to show you the real-time chart, how it's looking at at the moment. So this is going to be your times right here. You can actually scale down to any time frame you want to scale down to. There's 8 hours, 4 hours. Actually a cool thing you can actually do with this is you can actually start the time frames you like. So let's say, like us at the Pip Magnet, we usually use the daily time frame, which is 24-hour. We usually use the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and for entries we use the 5-minute time frame. Sometimes we use the 15-minute time frame just to look. So by starring them, as you can see, after I start them, as you can see, they're showing right there. There's your 5 minutes, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, and your daily. So you can basically downsize, and it makes it easier for you to actually navigate your charts without having to now worry about, oh, you know, now you're gonna go find the time frames again. So this actually makes life easier for you. You can just downsize or upsize just by clicking right there. And actually there's also something cool about this TradingView that you can actually do also with your indicators. So here's all your indicators. This is where you're going to find all your indicators and stuff. So let me just show you guys. So right here, this is where you find the tools like your trend lines. So there's your trend line, there's your horizontal line. You can also start them as well, and as you start them, you see they'll start showing up right here. So they're just going to be there accessible for you. So I'd advise you to just go start everything you'd like to use. So the Pip Magnet, we usually use horizontal, we use our trend lines, we use arrows but just for illustrations, and then we use sometimes vertical lines just to mark the day. And then You even have your Fibonacci retracements here. You can just start anything you like to use. If you're into Fibonacci, we don't really use Fibonacci that much, but you can start it right there, and as you can see, it shows right there. And there you have it. You actually have everything you need. Everything you need is going to be right here in this corner. If you want to use a trend line, you just click it right there, and there you go. There's your trend line.
Nice.
You can adjust it however you want to. You can delete it right there. And then yeah guys, every time you draw up an analysis on this chart, I had a couple of people saying no, every time they try and draw something it deletes. So every time you try and draw something on the chart, you have to come here and save it. So right after doing it, you save it. Either you come here and save it, or you just press Ctrl S and then it's going to save, so that now when you downsize to a lower time frame, it doesn't delete everything you've done. So yeah, basically that's what's up. You're going to just save it right there. As you can see, you can either press Ctrl S for saving, or you can just come here and save it. So also another cool feature that's here is this feature right here that a lot of people, I'm sure a lot of videos you've watched in TradingView use this all the time. So this is the prediction and measurement tool. You usually need to show your entries, you know, your short positions, your long positions. So let's say you want to like illustrate a long position, for example, or you want to just trace like a position that you entered in the past somewhere somehow. So what you just do, you just come here to your long position, you can click that, and as you click it, you can just mark it right there. And I'm sure you've seen this a lot of times from a lot of videos. So let's say someone just says, okay, no, they had an entry maybe somewhere there, they put their stop loss here, and their take profit is all the way up there, for example. You see something like that. There you go. You can also find it here in the trading view. You can delete it right there. Anything you want to delete, you just click on it and then you just press remove. There you go. There you have it. So if you can also start those if you like using that stuff to actually help, because it does help sometimes. But it's not really necessary. But basically, you even have emojis here. You can put emojis on your trades for people who like, you know, decorating their charts. There's emojis here as well. You even have like a pip measurement tool right here for measuring your pips. This tool right here can help you to measure pips. As you can see there, it measures them in bars, 3 bars, 2 bars, 1 bar. As you can see, you have a measuring tool for pips right there. And as you can see, if you want to delete it again, you just click on it, then it's gone. But anyway guys, this is everything that I had to show you on this video. Hopefully you guys learned something. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to share, and always remember, peace.